Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to this tutorial on the designing of title page in MS Word. So in order to design a title page in MS Word, first thing is to add borders to the page, and the second one is to add or change the color of this page. So in order to change to add borders to this page, so first we have to visit the design tab, and here you see the page borders. So there are different style of lines which you can add. So first let me add this one. This is added to the border, but the box option is correct for adding the border. So there are different types of color we can change. So let me select this one. So now this changes color. Now I will change the width that this color appear in this line. So I have changed the width of this color. So now it's look very beautiful. Now let's see here another option that we want only the title page as my first page. So here this will be the first page of my document. From here you can select it. So here I have selected this, and now the next thing is you can change the line style, and also you can make the line from these different arts. So here you can select any one of this type. So let me select the one of them on my choice. So I will select these flowers. So here I have selected the border line as flowers. So you can change the size of these flowers from here, or the width of this border line. So I have changed this, increase the size. Let me select this as 20 size. So let's say 22. So I have changed this, and there are the different option for shading. So here you select this. So this means that the part in which you will write will be turned as this green color. So I will deselect this. I like the white color because I don't want any color here. So now here, from here you can select the margin of this border line. You can increase from left, right, and top and bottom. So now the next thing is to add a color to this page. So you can add anyone. I will add a light color from here. So let's select this one. So I have added this color to my page, and I will deselect the page to no color because the white color was not suiting to this. So now the color is also changed here. Now I will add text my detail for this title page. So I will add this, and then I will format all these and increase and decrease the size. So you just watch this. Now here see I am formatting this text. So I will increase the size from here for this, and I will also change the font style, and here you see I have added this to the middle, and let's change the color and move it to the suitable place, and let's suppose add a name, and move this text to the right and add bullets, and highlight this and convert it to a white color. So this is add a dated and move this to the right side. Now you have see that the title page has been designed and all the formatting has done. Now let's convert it to a PDF format and save it as a desktop. So you will see that how it look in the PDF format. So save and let's check it. So this is your title page in the PDF format. Hope you like this tutorial and learn something from this. So please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.